In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to configure MotioCI to communicate directly with a Cognos audit database and explain why that can be a benefit. Some features rely on querying the Cognos audit database. For example, the inventory feature. Audit data is queried and processed to provide useful statistics. And test parameters. Parameter values can be sourced from the audit database. To enable these features, audit access needs to be configured. To do so, navigate to Instance Settings and find the section labeled Cognos Audit Configuration. If no configuration exists yet, press the Add button. Otherwise, press the Edit button to update an existing configuration. In the first step, select the instance in which the audit package is located. In most cases, this will be the same instance that is being currently configured. Next, select the audit package and data source. Then choose the data source connection and corresponding sign-on to be used. When finished, press the Next button. In this step, direct query can be enabled. Enabling it will allow the other fields here to be editable. There will be a placeholder value for the JDBC URL based on the previously entered data source connection. Modify the URL if needed, then enter valid database credentials. Click Finish, and some tests to validate the configuration will run. This includes a JDBC connection test to confirm that it can connect to the audit database using the provided values. After configuration, you'll see in the instance settings that direct query is now enabled. This means MotioCI will query the audit database directly going forward. Without direct query, audit data is gathered by executing Cognos reports, which adds processing overhead. With direct query enabled, that extra step is skipped, improving performance for audit-dependent features like inventory.